Hey guys, what's up? Just here making another video for my YouTube. So this one is Crazy Train. It's a Crazy Train song, but it also has a Sonic Sick and beatbox in it. So, are you guys ready for this? I know I am. Let's get on with it. Get ready to get kicked out of your home, you too jelly. Sonic's about to take your throne, you think you're fast. When you blink, I'm gonna be gone. I found you on. Couldn't say my dad.com, you're not ready yet. To the bed. It's gonna choke on her. Oh, you can never beat me, you can never see me, I'm bossy now. Black Panther's a black swan, he's really a ballerina. You can never fade me with your little nigga, stand no chance. You're gonna get crushed. It's not to dust, but because you're losing, you're gonna get crushed. It's not to dust, but because you will, cause you'll lose. You'll lose. Mm. Mm. Yeah, guys, I hope you liked that. That was, like I said, that was the song Crazy Train with Sonic Second Beatbox. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and end off the video so I can upload it and all that and put the title in and everything else. So, yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. So peace out. I'll see you guys later. Peace. Bye.